Hi guys, today we are making Bluetooth based home automation.
Then on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your bandit. The killers understand it.
We are using Arduino Uno board with a Zeta cable and Bluetooth HC05 and 4-channel relay module. With this 4-channel relay module, we can control 4 individual devices, and we are using some jumper wires to connect the circuit. So let's dig into your circuit connection. Okay, coming to the connections, in Arduino Uno board, you can find that 0 and 1 pins are dedicated to transmitter and receiver. So in Bluetooth also you can find that there are a transmitter and receiver pins. That is, TXD is a transmitter pin, RXD is a receiver pin. You have to connect reversely. For suppose here the Bluetooth transmitter pin is connected to the receiver pin on Arduino board to communicate mutually. So coming to the connections, here you can see that this orange wire is a receiver pin. So I am connecting it to transmitter, that is 1. Okay, next yellow wire is a transmitter pin. Here I am connecting to receiver, that is 0. Next VCC pin, you can use either 3.3 volts or 5 volts. So here green wire is a ground pin and blue wire is a 5 volts pin. So connecting Bluetooth is completed. Now we are connecting 4-channel relay module to the Arduino controller. Here you can find that here there are 4 pins, that is ground, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4 and VCC. VCC we have to connect to the 5 volts and ground we have to connect to ground, and in 1 is a controlling pin of the relay module, and in 2 is control pin of the second relay module, and in 3 is for third module. Likewise, first connect 6 jumper wires. Here this white wire is a ground wire, so I am connecting it to the ground. Second pin is a ground. Okay, next this brown wire is a VCC one. Actually here there is only one 5 volts pin in Arduino. Actually I am using only 5 volts adapter, so I am connecting to it VCC. So for now there are 4 pins. These 4 pins are control pins. Now connect these to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually in coding I am connecting it to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either you can connect other pins also depending upon your code. Black one is in 1, brown one is in 2, and next orange one is in 3, and finally the red one is in 4. So now connection has been completed. Now we have to dump the code. So let's dig into the code. First of all, connect the Zeta cable to the laptop and then to Uno board. Now before dumping the code, you have to remove the Bluetooth, because in Bluetooth we are using serial communication. Here the Arduino also using the serial communication between the laptop and the Arduino. If this serial communication is happening with Bluetooth, this serial communication will get interrupted. So first of all, remove the Bluetooth, either one of the pin, either VCC or ground or anything. Now we can dump the code. In code, here you can see that 0 and 1 pins are declared to RX and TX, and I have declared 2, 3, 4, 5 pins as my output pins, and I declared those 4 pins as high because I am using active low relay. I mean active low logic relay. This relay works when we give only low signal. So that's the reason I am giving initially it says high. Go to tools And here I selected the board as Arduino Uno, and the COM port as actually the board is connected only, then the port will be displayed, otherwise the board does not get highlighted. Then if you want to check the board either was working or not, you have to click on get board info, then here the board info will be displayed. Okay, before dumping the code, first you have to compile the code to check either there are any errors in the code or not. Here you can find that there is a tick mark on the top. If I click on that, it will compile. You can see that there is no errors and code has been compiled successfully. So now I am dumping the code into my Arduino. There is a small mark, that is a arrow mark. You can click on that for dumping the code. Okay, you can see that here done uploading. Now connect the pin which is removed previously. So now Bluetooth get on. Now the circuit is ready to use. Here this is my electric bulb. I want to control this electric bulb. Here you can see that for each relay there are 3 pins. That is, the center one is common, and the right one is normally closed, and the left one is normally open. That means before switching on the relay, these pins common and normally closed are in contact with each other, but it's not in contact with the normally open pin. If the relay gets on, the common and normally open gets connected, and common and normally closed gets disconnected. The relay mechanism works like that. Now we are connecting to normally open and common. Now for the second bulb I am doing the same thing. Okay, now the circuit connection is completed. Now let's see the demo. Here you can see that I have connected the whole circuit and I have plugged in the electric bulbs, and the relay acts as the switches here. Now I am again opening my app, that is Arduino Bluetooth. I will give you the link in the description below. You can check on that. So after connecting the Bluetooth, the blinking of the LED gets decreased. Now I am turning on the light 1. You can see that light 1 has been on. I want to turn off the light now. And I am turning on the light 3. Sorry, that is 2. And turning off. Actually I have connected only just 2 devices. You can control 4 devices with 4-channel relay module. If you want to increase the number of devices, you can use also 8-channel relay module. Here I am using only 4-channel relay module. Here if you want to on all devices at a time, just click on that. You can see that on the top, on all. For suppose if you want to turn off all the devices at a time, you can click on this. All devices turn off. This is a quick demo of the Bluetooth based home automation system. If you like the video, just like, share and subscribe to our channel.